So today is August 10th, so Vlogust number 10. We are currently at the beach with Evan. Say hi, Evan.
Hi.
Say hello.
Hello.
Say I'm at the beach.
Beach.
So what are you doing at the beach? Just sitting there. It's fun times here at the beach. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what it looks like here. Look at it. So beautiful. There's not that many people here either. It's not too crowded. He's fixing his towel. Are you comfy? How's your towel? Comfy? Comfy? Pretty comfy? So I'm just going to take a few videos throughout the day and I'll post them all together and then show you guys how the beach was. Okay. Twins just eating your berries.
Are we twins? Are you twins with your mom?
They're not that sweet, huh?
No.
Watch, is it a cookie? So, cookie's sweeter.
You should have the ones next to my house.
Yeah.
My old house.
You like strawberries, Evan? The berries? He's trying to talk about food and cake. Yeah, like fat people. Evan, how's the cake? Mmm. Good?
Oh, it's very good.
Very good? It's a birthday? You eat the birthday cake? Feet! You done? Not yet? I think you're gonna be in a food coma. Put your hat on.
I want to get a picture.
Say cheese. Say I love the beach. I love it. I love it.
Evan, say cheese. Alright, say cheese. Come over here.
Well, I hope you guys all had a great Sunday like me. And see you all tomorrow. Bye.